Have you hired a custom home builder and you're to the phase where you get to work on your construction plans? Well, I'm here to tell you today the 3 things you should do to prepare for that meeting. Number 1, bring inspiration pictures, whether it's from HGTV, whether it's from a magazine, whatever it is, something you saw and liked, bring the pictures along. If it's the elevation of a house down the street, or if it's a floor plan you found online, bring it along because those aspects that we can look at in pictures, in writing, make the planning a lot easier. Number 2, create a wish list and a non-negotiable list. Maybe your non-negotiable list includes things that your current home doesn't offer. Maybe that's a first floor master, or a walk-in shower, or an eat-in kitchen. Those items that have driven you to the decision of building a custom home. On your wish list, maybe it includes things like a hidden pantry, or a giant soaking tub in your master. Some of those things that would be awesome, but if they don't fit in the budget or there's no space for them, you'd be willing to negotiate. Number 3, consider the future. So are you currently looking to build a house and you have 2 kids, but maybe someday you'll have 4? Make sure there's enough bedrooms and bathrooms to make that possible. Maybe currently you go to the office every day, but one day you hope to work from home. Make a flex space in your house that could be used as a future home office. Maybe your in-laws may move in one day. Think about some of those things in your life that may become a reality and that you can prepare for today while we're building your custom home that are helpful for an architect and your builder to know so that we can figure out how to make them work into our current planning stages. Again, those 3 things you should do before going to your first custom home planning meeting: create your wish list and non-negotiable list, bring inspiration pictures, know what you like, what you don't like, and 3, consider the future. With these 3 things, you'll go into this meeting being prepared, thinking about your future, and with ideas that make your custom home yours. I'm Bella Genatasio with GTG Builders. Give us a follow, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in future videos.